Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to use Discord on T-Mobile satellite, make voice and text work via satellite connection. T-Mobile's T-Satellite service natively supports Discord text chat, voice messages, and image sharing. Live, real-time voice calls are not yet supported over the satellite connection due to strict latency and bandwidth limitations. To use Discord via T-Mobile's T-Satellite services, ensure your T-Satellite add-on is active. When you lose cellular and Wi-Fi, your phone will connect to the satellite network. Simply open your Discord mobile app and use it normally. It has been tested to function for text, voice messages, and image uploads over satellite. About T-Mobile satellite plan. To activate Discord over T-Mobile's T-Satellite network, you do not need to configure anything in the Discord app. Activation occurs automatically when you completely lose ground-based cell signals. The service requires a compatible smartphone and costs of $10 per month as a plan add-on, unless you are on premium tiers like Go 5G Next or Experience Beyond, where it is included for free. Check requirements before heading off grid. Make sure your account and device are ready. Plan add-on. Ensure you have the $10 per month T-Satellite add-on active on your T-Mobile account. Next is a compatible device. You need a modern device running updated software such as an iPhone 15 Pro or newer or a Samsung Galaxy S25/Pixel 10 or newer. Next, app update. Update your Signal app to the latest version via the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 1. Look for the official eligible device list. T-Mobile maintains a list of hardware that supports the Starlink network directly on an official T-Mobile satellite phones portal. As a general rule of thumb, check if your phone falls into these supported model groups. For Apple, iPhone 13, 14, 15, and 16 series or newer. Samsung, Galaxy S21 or newer, Galaxy Z Fold 3 or newer, and Galaxy Z Flip 3 or newer. Google, Pixel 9 series, Pixel 9a, and Pixel 10 or newer. For Motorola, most modern flagship or mid-range devices released in the last few years. Update to the latest OS version. On iOS, Apple, go to Settings, then go to General. Now tap on Software Update and click Update Now. For Android, go to Settings, find System, tap on Software Update and click Download and Install. Step 2. Check for satellite add-on. First, how to check if the satellite add-on is active. Log into the T-Life app or T-Mobile account portal and select your active cellular phone line. Now tap on Manage Add-ons to view your active subscriptions and verify if T-Satellite data is listed. Next, how to buy the satellite add-on. Navigate to the Accounts tab in your T-Life app and select the option to add data features. Now select T-Satellite data, which is $10 per month. Review the transaction details and click Activate. Step 3. Enable hardware roaming. For iOS, iPhone, go to Settings, then go to Cellular, tap on Cellular Data Options, and turn on Satellite Roaming. For Android, go to Settings, tap on Network and Internet, find SIMs, and turn on Satellite Roaming. Step 4. Establishing the satellite connection. First, lose ground signal. Walk or drive deep into the cellular dead zone until your phone reads no service. Next is to clear the horizon. Move to an outdoor area with a completely clear, wide open view of the sky. Trees, large rock walls, and roofs will fully block the connection. Now verify status indicator. Wait a minute for the hardware to negotiate a link with a passing Starlink direct to cell satellite. Your phone status bar will switch to SAT iOS or display a satellite icon on Android. Step 5. Making Discord text and media work. Send standard text. Open any server or direct message channel to type and send messages normally. Compress image uploads. T-Satellite allows for image sharing, but speeds are much slower than ground towers. For faster delivery, manually crop or lower the resolution of your photos before sending them. Step 6. Sending voice via satellite. Tap and hold the microphone icon next to the chat bar in your Discord mobile app. Now record your message and release it to send it as an audio file packet. The packet data takes slightly longer to transmit through space. Wait a few moments for the progress circle to finish uploading before moving your phone away from the sky. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.